There's a million things to do, but I'm here while you're...
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a test drive in a 1967 Mercury Cougar. This one here has a 289 under the hood with a power steering setup. Pretty quiet motor. We're going to be taking it down the road looking for any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily. I have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. You can also get shipping and financing. It is available. So hit that subscribe button. Let's see what this thing could do. About that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior, kind of check everything out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think that horn works? Dash pad is in pretty good shape. Not all tore up. Carpet looks decent. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner looks nice and clean. Start her up. Starts up easy. Try that radio out. No tunes. Leave it on for a little bit. Maybe it'll cut on. Wipers, they do work. They're fast. Okay, blower motor. It's cutting on. I don't believe the AC is going to work on this one, so. There's a mileage it's hard to stand behind in a 67 model. Definitely stopping to get some gas. This one's on E right now. Tack is working and coming up. Engine temperature seems to be coming up as well. Ready for that horn? All right. Let's take off down the road. Section around from my seatbelt here. We got it on. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. That's why we do all these videos. And of course, I let you know what the car needs. Because we actually don't do anything to them, but clean them up. Tell you what's wrong. Here we go. Steering's got a little bit of slack. You see that right there? It turns there, and it turns there, but got a little bit of slack in it. Kick down's hooked up on this one. Brakes actually feel pretty good. This car's got some pep to it. Turn signals are popping up on both sides of the dash. Definitely go pull in the gas station, get some fuel here. Let's see, I think somebody's on my side. Oh, they're taking apart the pump. Better go over here. So yeah, I'm gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this car. And we'll check this gas gauge. I'm gonna say it works. Up here at the gas station, gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this car. And check that gauge out. I'll show you where you put your gas in at. Right here in the back behind the tag. It looks like we're right there at 20 now. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Just turn the key and see what we got here. Looks like it's coming up and working. Good deal. All right, let's take off. Okay, we're gonna head on back to the car lot now. This car's been staying nice and cool, runs and drives good, had a good looking body on it. It's time to head on back to the lot. We pretty much went over everything on this car, and I think it's good to go. Y'all been talking about the General Lee. Well, I'm going back to the lot now to do the video. I'm gonna try to get it done before lunch too. Suspension on this one, I would give it a 7 or an 8 out of 10. It's nice and smooth. The only reason I give it a little bit lower rating is because I can feel the pavement through the tires. Coming up on that road where the speed bump used to be, it's pretty much gone now. When the ice storm came through, we're not used to seeing ice here. We got 2 inches of just sheer ice and then another 2 inches of snow, so it just flattened it out. It's right here. Little, you can kind of feel it there. Maybe it's coming back with the heat. I think the weight pushed it down. Okay. Right around the corner from the car lot. I don't guess the courtesy light's cut on. Oh, map light cuts on. I don't see the courtesy light coming on anywhere here in the car. We got an oil pressure gauge over here that it is working as well. This light takes a while. Let's go. Here we go. All right, we're gonna be pulling back in the lot now. Like I said, I got some more cars to get to today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This one here runs and drives great. All right, see you later, guys. All right, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. You can also check all of our inventory out at maplemotors.com. They have close to 100 detailed pictures, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, financing options, and all of our inventory is updated every Monday with new cars. And I've also got plenty to do today, so be sure to check out some more videos. The General Lee should be coming up next. I know a lot of y'all been waiting on that. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Thanks again, guys.